Very good evening, children. Very good evening, children. Welcome to Akshar online classes, IIT and NEET Foundation. Myself, Johnson, your biology teacher. Today we will discuss about the 6th class science biology. Okay. So biology. What is that? Biology. Biology is a branch of science. It deals with the living things. Okay. Biology is a branch of science. Branch of science. Branch of science. It deals with living organisms. Living organisms. Biology is a branch of science. It deals with the living organisms. What are the examples of the living organism? Examples of the living organism is, okay, all the plants, okay, plants and animals. Plants and animals is the examples of the living things. Plants and animals is the examples of the living things. Biology is a branch of science. It deals with the living organism like plants and animals. Next, biology word. Biology word. Biology word derived from Greek language. What language? Greek language. In this Greek language, bio means life. Bio means life. Logos means to study. Biology word derived from the Greek language. In that Greek, bio means life, logos means to study. Biology study of the living organisms like plants and animals. So, biology word first time used by Greek scientist, that Jean Baptiste Jean Baptiste Lamarck, first time biology word used by the Greek scientist. That scientist name is the Jean Baptiste Lamarck. He belongs to the Greek biologist. Next, father of biology. Father of the biology. Who is the father of the biology? Father of the biology is, he is also belongs to that Greek country, Aristotle. Who is that? Aristotle. Aristotle is the father of the biology. Biology word first time used by the Jean Baptiste Lamarck. He belongs to the Greek country. Father of the biology is known as the Aristotle. Aristotle is known as the father of the biology. So biology is a branch of science. It deals with the living organisms like plants and animals. Especially we can study in that biology in the plants and animals. Today our topic is, today 6th class biology. Okay, today our topic is food. What? Food. Where does it comes from? Where okay, does where does it come from? It come what is our lesson? Food, where does it come from? Sorry. Food. Okay, what is our lesson? Food, where does it come from? Food, where does it come from? What is our lesson? First chapter. This is the first chapter. Okay. Food, where does it come from? Okay. So what is the answer for it? Where we can get from that food? Can you tell me? If you know, please tell me. Where does it comes from? That means food comes from the plants and animal. Food comes from plants and animals. Plants and animals. Okay. Food comes from. Food comes from. What is the direct question? What is the lesson name? Food, where does it come from? Food, where does it come from? Food comes from. Food comes from plants and animal. Can you give the examples of that food product from the food from the plants? Yes. Okay. Food item. What it is? Food item. Food item. So food item. So this is coming from the plant or animal. Okay. Serial number. So first one, rice. What is the food item? Rice. Rice come from where? It is come from plants. Okay. Second, chapati. What? Chapati. Chapati comes from where? Plants only. Next, third, milk. What it is? Milk. Milks come from animals. Next, egg. Egg. Egg comes from the animal. Next, dal. Dal we can get from the plant. Next, sixth, chicken, comma, mutton. Chicken and mutton we are get from the animals. Okay. So food item, rice. Serial number, food item, plant and animal. So first one is the rice. Rice. So rice we can get from the plant or animal? Plant. Plant. Okay. So next one is what? Chapati. Chapati we can get from where? Plants only. Next, milk. Milk we can get from the animal. Next, fourth one, eggs we can get from the animals. Dal we can get from the plants. Chicken, mutton we get from the animals. Are you clear? Right. Next, coming to the point. Okay, so these are the food items. So where does it comes from? Okay, food comes from the plants and animals. Okay. Next one is the, so if you are eat that food, okay, for example, if you are eating to the rice, how to prepare the rice? Actually we are taking to the rice grain. In that rice grain he can one of the bowl we can take it, in that wash that rice grains, after we can add it to that rice grains, after we can add, keep into the stove, that is make into the rice. So that's why what are the substances, what are the components we can use to that food item, that is called ingredients. What it is called? Ingredients. What it is called? Ingredients. Ingredients. Okay. Ingredients. So for example, if you prepare the rice, what are the ingredients we are using? Rice grains, okay, and water, okay. For example, if you are using to the dal, what are the ingredients we are using? Okay, so generally if you are using to the dal, generally we are taking to the pulses. Pulses means nothing but green gram or red gram. Okay, next generally we can use it to the oil. Okay, chili, okay, next onion, next, okay, so onion after, okay, oil, onion, salt. So these are the, if you are prepared to that curry of that dal, okay, what we are using? Pulses, oil, green chili, okay, then curry leaves, okay, onion, chilies, okay, next salt we can add. So these are the ingredients. So for example, if you are any preparation of the curry, what are the ingredients we are using? Common ingredients is the oil, okay, oil, turmeric, salt, water. These are the, so rest water. These are the ingredients we are using. So ingredients means if the preparation of that component, what are the substances we can use it, that is called ingredient. For example, egg curry. So what are the ingredients are required to that egg curry? Egg curry. Egg curry, generally we can require to the oil, onions, chilies, okay, next curry leaves, spices. మళ్ళీ ఫస్ట్ నుంచి చెప్పనా? కంటిన్యూషన్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే రైట్. సో ఆనియన్, ఆయిల్, ఆనియన్స్, చిల్లీస్, curry leaves, okay. So next eggs, especially eggs and red chilies, okay, spices, generally we can use it. Very good evening.
Good evening, sir.
What is your name?
My name is Vismay Krishna.
Vismay Krishna. Very good evening, Vismay Krishna. Actually today our topic is food, where does it comes from? Food, where does it come from? Okay, first chapter. You are the 6th standard,
Yes, sir.
What is the first chapter of that biology?
Biology, sir.
Science, general science, what is the first chapter?
Sources of food, sir. Sources of food.
Sources of the food. Oh, your state syllabus,
No, sir. CBSE.
CBSE first chapter is the food, where does it come from, no?
Yes, sir.
But you are saying another lesson name. So this is
1 minute, sir. Like
So-
in the textbook.
yes, this is the textbook of science, no?
No, sir.
You are which class?
1 minute and 3, sir.
Geeta, very good evening, Amma. Geeta. Geeta. So this is only now 6th class science. Vismay Krishna.
Sir, this one, sir.
Where? Living science, huh? So this is also CBSE NCERT textbook, Nana. So this is also science. Okay, whatever it may be. Now today we are discussing about that science. Okay. So in that science, first lesson is the so you see here biology. Biology is a branch of science. It deals with the living organism. Yes or no? Biology is a branch of science. It deals with the living organism. So in our surrounding, two types of the things are present. One is the living things and another one is the non-living things. Okay. Can you give the examples of the living things? Living things example what? Living things example what? What is the example of the living things? You are a living thing or a non-living thing?
Living thing.
Plants is the living things or a non-living things?
Living things.
Cat is living thing or non-living thing?
Living thing.
Okay, so that means which of the things have the life? Which of the things have the life? That are called living things. Examples of the living things is the all the green plants, all the animals like human being, cat, dog, lion, cheetah, leopard, tiger, elephant. Okay, so these are all the examples of the living things. Okay, here here my point. Okay, sorry. So here my point is biology is a branch of science. It deals with the living things like plants and animals. Yes, plants and animals is the examples of the living thing. Can you give the examples of the non-living thing? So this pen is the living thing, non-living thing?
Non-living.
Non-living thing. So my shirt is living thing or non-living thing? Non-living thing. Okay, pen, pencil, eraser, sharpener, duster, bottle, glass, okay, utensil, all are the living things. So here my point is biology is a branch of science. It deals with the living things like plants and animals. Yes? Right. Next point. Biology word derived from that Greek language. Biology word derived from the which language? Greek language. Biology word derived from the Greek language. In the Greek, bio means what? Bio means life. Bio means what? Life. Logos means what? Logos means studying. Logos means studying. Biology study of the living things, especially for the plants and animals. Biology study of the living things like plants and animals. Plants and animals. Okay. What are the characteristic features of the living things? Can you say the Vismay Krishna? Characteristic features. What are the characteristic features of the living things? For example, living things they can grow. Yes or no? Non-living things they can grow. They cannot grow. Okay, so that characteristic features of the living things they can grow. First point, living things they can take the food. They can take the food. Okay, non-living things they can take the food. These pennies take the food. No. Pencils they take the food. No. So that means second point is living things they can eat the food. Non-living things they cannot eat the food. Okay. So why the living things need food? Can you tell me what is the need? What is the use of the food?
Use of food means
So for example, which class now? You?
six,
6. For 5th class and 6th class, your height, shape same. Any changes is there in the body of the organism?
yes sir,
Changes is occurred now. So why? Because if you eat the food, you can grow. If you are not take that, you cannot eat the food, you can't grow. So that's why generally if you are taking to the food, that generally organisms will grow. Second point, to build the maintenance of the organism required to the energy. Okay, and if any body repair mechanism is occur required to the energy. Okay, next purpose. So when you are wake up to that morning to evening, when you are sleeping, so many works we can do that required to the energy, we can eat the food. Okay, so these are the purpose required to the energy to grow, to maintain of the body of the organism, to build damaged and repair mechanism, and to require the energy. Animals and plants and animals required to that energy, required to the food. Okay, so here biology word derived from which language? Greek language. Bio means what? Life. Logos means what? Logos means study. Biology study of the living organisms like plants and animals. Yes, right. Next point, this biology word first time used by that scientist name is the Jean-Baptiste Lamarck. Jean-Baptiste Lamarck. The Jean-Baptiste Lamarck also belongs to the Greek scientist. Okay, so biology word first time used by the Jean-Baptiste Lamarck. Next, who is the father of the biology? Father of the biology is the Aristotle. Is the father of the biology. Aristotle is the father of the biology. So here 3 points are very important. Biology is a branch of science which deals with the living organisms like plants and animals. Biology word derived from the Greek language, that bio means life, logos means study. Biology study of the living things like plants and animals. Okay, biology word first time used by the Jean-Baptiste Lamarck. Next point is father of the biology is the Aristotle. Father of the biology is the Aristotle. Now today our lesson is food. Where does it come from? What is our lesson? Food. Where does it come from? Okay, what is the answer? Food comes from the plants and animals. Food comes from plants and animals. Yes or no? For example, Vismay Krishna, morning you can eat what you are ate. What you are ate. Morning you what you ate. Your voice is not audible. Are you listening or not? So that means, okay, food where does it come from means, food comes from plants and animals. Plants and animals. Next, so Generally, every day we can eat that food. What are the food we can eat? Rice we can eat, idli we can eat, chapati we can eat, okay, sambar we can eat, curry we can eat, chicken mutton we can eat, fish we can eat, milk we can drink, egg we can eat. So these are the regular item, leafy vegetables, fruits, each and everything every day we can eat. Yes or no? Yes. So these are all are coming from plants and animals only. Plants and animals only. Example, general example, rice. Rice obtained from the plants only. Rice is obtained from the plants only. Geeta, very good evening, Amma Geeta. My voice is audible to you. Suddenly coming, suddenly going, what is your problem? Okay, leave it. So that means, so all the food comes from the plants and animal. Okay, rice obtained from the plants only. Chapati obtained from the plants only. Milk obtained from the animals. Egg we are obtained from the animals. Dal we can obtain it from the plant. Sugar we can obtain from the plant. Chicken, mutton, fish we are obtained from the animals. Okay, drumstick we are obtained from the plants. All the leafy vegetables, all the vegetables, fruits we can obtain from the plants only. Milk we are obtained from the animals. Cheese we can obtain from the animals. Sweets we are obtained from the animal. So that in this whole topic what you are understanding is, so all the food we are obtained from the plants and animals. Plants and animals. Okay. Next. So ingredients. Ingredients means if you are preparing to the any food component, what are the things we can use in that? That is called ingredient. For example, if you are preparing to that food, so what are the things are required? That is called rice grain and water. So these are the rice grain and water is called ingredients of the rice. Ingredients of the rice. So if you are used to the dal, tapu. If you are used to the dal, generally we can use it to the pulses like red gram, green gram. Generally we can get from the dal. Next one is the oil, green chili and onion. Okay, salt, water. Generally we can use it. These are the ingredients we can use it in the dal. Next, egg curry. In that egg curry, what are the ingredients? Oil, onion, chilies, curry leaves, okay, eggs. Generally, these are the ingredients we can use to the egg curry. Okay, next our topic is. Next our topic is, so most of the food products we are get from the plants and animals. So general example, serial number. What is that? Serial number. Next, food item. What it is? Plants. Animals. Serial number. For example, every day wake up early morning after we can eat. I eat generally water. Water we are getting from the plants or animals? Huh? So water we are getting from the plants only. Right. So rice we are getting from the plants. Next, idli we are getting from the plants. Chapati we are getting from the plants. Next, dal we are getting from the plants. Next, especially vegetables and fruits we are getting from the plants. Okay, milk. Okay, meat, chicken, mutton. These are all we are obtained from the animals. Eggs, here you can write eggs. Okay, so that means the majority of the food items, all of the food items we are get from the plants and animals. Are you understand the lesson? Are you understand? Next, plant pods and animal products of the food. So these up to this is the today lesson is okay. Most of the food items, food where does it comes from means food we can get from that plants and animals only. Example these. Okay, so this is so today our session we will close that. Okay, very thankful to you. Have a nice day. Thank you.